I like your question. Asparagus is so easy. It's what you call a perennial, which means that you plant it one time and it keeps coming back every year. So the asparagus that I'm growing, I planted from crowns. So I bought the crowns from Walmart maybe 4 years ago. And I think it was two in a package. I soaked them for a few hours and then I planted them in the ground. I bought the crowns because I heard that they would produce asparagus faster. I also bought some seeds. You have to wait 3 to 5 years to eat the asparagus grown from seed. So I'm a little impatient, so I bought both to see what would happen. Well, the first year I got asparagus. I got, I think, 2 or 3 spears, but this is what they look like. You can see compared to my finger, it's small, but not too bad. Not too bad. And every year they get a little bit bigger. So they, just get a little bigger in diameter every year. When you grow from seed, you will get them, like when you plant the seeds, they will grow that year. The reason that they say you can't eat them for 3 years is because they're really, really tiny when they first come up. Like really tiny. See this one? So what you do when they're that little, you just kind of let them grow. So what happens is they will grow really, really tall. They will grow really tall. And then they will start to branch out like this. So you don't eat them when they're that little. You let them grow up and kind of spread out like that, because it's basically collecting energy from the sun, building stronger roots down below. So for the first 2 years, you let them do that until, they get big enough that you can cut them to eat them. So asparagus, you have to have patience with it. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions. Don't forget to follow along for more gardening tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.